Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the simplest and the best way to make money on Binance. It's Arbitrage. Like something change in price, but this I think you have to know additional things to do for you to be able to profit from this strategy. So first thing you need to do on this video, we are using Naira and USDT. That's HNGN. That's Naira. I'm going to go to my search button over here. Search NGA. I'm going to press this USDT NGA, this Naira. I'm going to press. As you can see on my chart view over here, I'm going to zoom this. Zoom this out. First thing you need to do is learn how to read chart, then how to draw this support and resistance. So I'm going to make a video about this, how to draw here and resistance on your chart and support, so for you to be able to buy in good place, so you'll be sure that yes, you buy at the support of this chart, so you have more leverage to make profit with this drawing it good. So stay tuned to watch how to do this on my channel. Then after drawing this support and resistance, as you can see, this is support and resistance on my chart. Now I'm just going to go back to this place. Zoom out. So as you can see on my trading view, I bought at this support level over here. So once I bought at this support level, this is something like $712 Naira, 1212 to USDT. Then I waited how many days? Like I waited for this price to go up. Then I was not with my phone when this go up to 930. You can see it just spark from this 796, it sparked to 930. So I was not around with my phone. Then I just made the chart like this. Then as you can see, the price is already going down and is at this support level. So then I decided to sell at this support level, because this support level doesn't have a lot of support level. If you know how to read chart and how to draw this, you will understand what I'm saying. Practically I bought at this price, 712 Naira. Then I sold this at 834 Naira. So let me go to my calculator to let you know the difference in price. Let's say for instance, I buy 1,000 worth of USDT at that range, so I will be spending times 7. I'll be spending 712,000. That's how much I will be getting USDT around that time. Then I'm going to sell this 1,000 USDT I got into NG at, you remember I said this at 834. So selling 1,000 worth of USDT at 834, that will be 834,000. Then minus 712,000. That would be 122,000 in profit. Doing this, just buying in support and selling in the resistance, you can make this kind of money. Then that's how you'll be able to make money with this. Remember, it's good for you to use a lot of large of money to do this, for you to be able for your profit to be meaningful. So it's good to use a large of money to do arbitrage trade in general. So sign buy side, there's a lot of support. You see a lot of support over here. Then if you see this place where I sold this USDT to NG, there is not much support over here. Then I sell, then I wait for this price to come over here again at this support. You can see this support again, then I buy again. So that's how you can make money doing this practically. So it's less for you to know how to read this chart, then know what best time to sell and best time to buy, because there is not much strategy in an arbitrage opportunity again, unless you're finding a way to do this. So there is this tiny way you can make a lot of money knowing this simple step. So if you get value in this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to like the video and let me know what you think about this video, and I will see you on the next video.